In this video, we're going to talk about writing a post in WordPress. So there are two ways on how to access the Add New Post part or page in WordPress. So in your dashboard, on the left-hand side or the menu bar, you have here the one that says Posts. When you mouse over it, you'll get a link that says Add New. Clicking on this link will bring you to this page right here. As you can see, it's Add New Post. You can access the same screen from the dashboard by using the new link or tab in the WordPress admin toolbar. So again, if you remember, this is the WordPress admin toolbar. One of them is the one that has the plus icon, and it has also the word new with it. When you mouse over it, you'll have a link that says Post. Clicking on it will bring you to the same Add New Post page. Now, let's proceed with writing the new post. Now, let's proceed with writing the post. So, we have here a part that says enter the title. Let's start with this. This is my first post. Okay. Now, on the second part here, or on the section below the title, you have the box wherein you can enter the content or the body of your post. You have two tabs or buttons here or links. You have visual and text. The visual is the what you see, what you get version of your post. So whatever you type here, whatever you see on this part, let's try this. Let's type a few lines. Hello world. This is my first post. Okay, now let's do some editing. Let's make it bold, center. Okay, now whatever you see here, it will be the same on your published post on your website. So this is again the what you see, what you get version, this visual part right here. Now, when we say text, when we go to the text part, this is the HTML style editing of your post. As you can see, it has what we call a syntax or a format. Now, this is for those people who want to add more HTML codes or to have more control on what they post with regards to the HTML, or how does it look like, or how does it function. On the right hand side of the Add New Post page, you have options for publishing on this part right here. So you have the option to click on Save Draft, should you choose to save the post as a draft for now and edit or publish it later. You can also choose to preview it before you go ahead and publish it. You can choose who can view your post once it is published. You can also choose to publish it immediately or at a later time. You can set the date and time on when it's going to be published. So let's say you set it for tomorrow at maybe 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock in the afternoon or morning, or whatever time you specify. The post will be published on that specified time and date. So regardless or not that if you're logged in, it will still be published. You also have options for format, categories. As of right now, we don't have a category, but you can go ahead and work on this later. Tags. You can add tags to your blog. This is very helpful, most especially if you already have a lot of blogs and you want people to search for a specific blog or post. So tags, in other words, are just like keywords. And you can set a featured image for your blog. As always, you can click on the help button on the top part so that you'll have more information on what to do on the Add New Post page, just in case you are kind of confused or just need some enlightenment. You can click on the help section right here so that you'll have more information about what's in the add new post or more information about posting or posts. You also have screen options here. When you click it, it'll show you a bunch of options. The ones that have check marks are the ones that you can see on the add new post page. So if you want the other options to be visible when you go to your add new post page, you click on the boxes so that they'll have check marks, and then click on screen options once you're done. Once you're done, those options that haven't been visible before but you wanted them to be visible and you enabled them by the check marks, they will be visible as soon as you're finished enabling them. So with that, thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.